This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Sylvia V Woods. Forget the new construction, as the seller spared no expense getting this beautiful waterfront home ready for you to move right in. From the new vinyl siding to the new flooring throughout and the new granite countertops and tiled backsplash with recessed lighting in the gorgeous kitchen, and how about the large den with fireplace with a game room? Enjoy the water view from your deck or covered patio, floating dock and attached jet ski dock. And did I mention the excellent schools and neighborhood located minutes to Langley Air Force Base and the beach? For more information, review the details below or contact Sylvia V Woods at 757-715-9730.